Verisurf 2022 offers expanded analysis and reverse engineering support for massive datasets to enable modeling and inspection using the latest generation of large volume scanners. Verisurf now supports reading and writing the E57 file format, a compact, vendor-neutral format specified by the American Society for Testing in Materials for storing point clouds produced by 3D imaging systems, such as laser scanners. E57 File Support extends Verisurf's support for devices such as large-volume terrestrial scanners, capable of scanning volumes the size of a city block or larger. To see the difference, schedule a demonstration at verisurf.com. Continue to watch the Verisurf 2022 Feature Highlights series and subscribe to our channel to learn more.